Hello students, welcome to my channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Students, today I will discuss about the landscape of the soul, class 11, question and answer. Understanding the text. Landscape of the soul, class 11, question and answer. Understanding the text. Question 1. Contrast the Chinese view of Earth with the European view with examples. Answer. The Chinese form of Earth is based on imagination and shows inner and spiritual approach of the artist, whereas the European art form is real and reproduces an actual view of the object from the landscape. Question number 2. Explain the concept of shanshui. Shanshui is a Chinese concept of art which means mountain water. It is used together to represent the world landscape. The two complementary poles yin and yang. Often image reflect the Taoist view. Question number 2.1. What do you understand by the term outsider art and art blood or raw art? Answer. Outsider art is the art made by the untrained artist, for example, children or mentally ill person. Art blood of raw art is a type of art made by people who are not professionals but they create an art piece with their own depth of understanding, are not from the stereotypical form of classical or fashionable art. Question number 2. Who was the untutored genius who created a paradise, and what is the nature of his contribution to art? Untutored genius who created a paradise was Nek Chand. He was an 80-year-old creator, director who made the world-famous rock garden in Chandigarh. He used everything from a tin to sink or anything which he felt as an art form. One of his famous creations are Omen by the Waterfall. Discuss. The emperor may rule over the territory he was conquered, but only the artist knows the way within. Answer. The statement means that the emperor rules over the territory which he has conquered and have the power, but the artist knows the path and mysterious work of the universe. The artist can go beyond the materialistic appearance of objects. No matter how powerful the emperor was, the artist's true art form can be seen the way he wants to show them. Discuss. The landscape is an inner one, a spiritual and conceptual space. Answer. The statement the landscape is an inner one, a spiritual and conceptual space means that a Chinese artist wants the viewer to enter his mind rather than borrowing his eyes to view his art piece. This requires both physical and mental participation. Viewer can enter the painting from any point and travel from one point to another point, as it is not a real one. It is an inner, spiritual and abstract space of the artist. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get all the latest videos at first. Thank you for watching.